Welcome to an extraordinary waterfront estate in Belhaven, North Carolina, where luxury meets history. Nestled on over 19 acres and surrounded on 3 sides by water, this one-of-a-kind property offers unmatched privacy and breathtaking views. With approximately 500 feet on the Pungo River and 1,200 feet of canal frontage, this estate is a true waterfront retreat featuring over 3,000 square feet of completely remodeled living space, rebuilt to near commercial grade standards. Originally constructed in 1904, this home has been meticulously stripped down and rebuilt from the ground up. While the history remains, you would never know it was over a century old. It shows like brand new construction. Every detail was engineered, permitted, and inspected to modern standards. Inside, no expense was spared. A professional decorator curated exquisite finishes, including select lighting fixtures, mirrors, faucets, tile, and hardware. Everything is solid, timeless, and the very best money can buy. The chef's kitchen boasts Thor appliances, including a 48-inch 6-burner commercial gas range, while the living area features a striking water vapor steam fireplace. With 5 to 6 bedrooms, including a spacious owner's suite on the main level and a third-floor bonus suite with a full bath and panoramic river views, this home offers flexibility and elegance at every turn. The interior showcases a flawless level 5 drywall finish, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and penny gap solid wood porch ceilings. The exterior continues the upgrades with a new roof, 6-inch box gutters, a privacy fence, and a tree-lined driveway. Outdoor living is enhanced with a detached spa room and hot tub, a pond, and mature pecan trees. Storage and workspace abound with a 58 by 28 detached 3-bay garage and an additional 2-bay garage, perfect for vehicles, hobbies, parties, or even a small business. Beyond its role as a private estate, this property holds incredible income-producing potential. With 19 plus acres, there is space for future developments such as mini cabins or retreat rentals, all while preserving the peace and seclusion of your own waterfront paradise. Contact Lori Stansel, broker, realtor at Stansel Realty Group for a tour today.